Let's bring in our guest with us to discuss this hour, trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, it was something else. I was half expecting the defendant to say something about his thoughts once again in mitigation, but he didn't, although his defense attorney basically made, he said, Judge, you heard the evidence in the trial and the evidence that was actually proffered outside the presence of the jury as well regarding some of the charges against Christina Purcell. Your response to the sentencing?
I think we just saw a travesty of justice. In my opinion, I think that this case is going to come back from the appeals court on a boomerang. I think the judge went way too far. I think he should have admitted the evidence of the pedophilia when the guardian ad litem opened the door, and then I thought for sure when if Zachary Hughes takes a stand, for sure the judge is going to let it in. He didn't let it in. He berated him for bringing it up. In my opinion, it's like watching the Super Bowl and the game is tied, and then there's an amazing play, and then the referee just creates a foul right on just wants to control the game. I think that this was a miscarriage of justice. I think, frankly, the decision by the judge was dumb. I think this whole thing. What's a trial, a criminal trial at its core, Michael? It's a search for truth. Do we really feel like the jury got to see the truth? Do we? How can you even imagine and contort your mind to think that his state of mind, I mean, he was charged with malice aforethought, premeditated murder. His state of mind and why he thought he was, I'm not saying it's justified. Let the jury hear the case. But that absolutely goes to the state of mind of the person who committed the murder. That's what we want to do. It's not like there's one degree of murder and one charge. There's several layers.
Well, Mike,
there's several charges.
The judge, in making his ruling, he said he didn't think it had anything to do or go to whether he killed this person or not, that it had something that was outside of the realm of what this jury said. Here, stand by for a second, because my understanding is we actually heard from the defense attorney in this case, the man representing Zachary Hughes, so let's take a listen to what he had to say after the sentencing.
Very brief, and that is the jury reached a verdict. The judge sentenced Mr. Hughes, and we're going to appeal. And that's our comment. Thank you very much.
Thank you.